The frost is coming. I went out to the garden this morning and tried to harvest as much fruit as possible. However, I still have some tomatoes growing. So this kind of tomatoes that has a hint of yellow or orange, it's okay to pick them now and sit it on the counter and put a banana between them, and they will ripe eventually. However, if your tomatoes is so green that does not even have a hint of yellow, they will not ripe no matter how many bananas that you put in between. But today I want to share with you my methods on how to get your green tomatoes yellow or ripen. Of course, you can fry your green tomatoes, but not everybody wants to fry food at home. So instead of picking the green tomatoes, you have to cut the whole stem. So I have some heirloom tomatoes and I just cut it right here. It doesn't matter which way you put it in the vase, but you have to keep the whole stem and put it in the vase and try to remove some extra leaves. As long as you stick it in the vase and let it stay there for a few weeks, so hopefully just 1 week, they will ripe and they will turn yellow, orange to green, to red. Now you get this method, and I hope that can help you save a lot of tomatoes and hurry harvest as much as you can, and happy gardening!